Are you annoyed by those endless pop-up notifications from Google Chrome on your computer or laptop? In this video, I will show you two easy methods to stop or block Chrome notification completely. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first method to block the notification, let's go to these three dots in your Google Chrome browser and then go to Settings. In the settings, please navigate to Privacy and Security on the left side. Scroll down and we want to go to Site Settings. Again, scroll down and you will find the notification option here. Just open it. Once I have opened the notification option, I could see here that the safety check. Review three sites that recently sent you a lot of notification. If you see this option, go to safety check and here you will find those websites and you could block them all directly from here. Let's go back. Again in the site setting, you scroll down and then go to notification. The next option we want to see here the default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. Sites usually send notification to let you know about breaking news or chat messages. Here we have few options. Collapse all the requests in the address bar, collapse unwanted request recommended option, expand all requests, and the last one we have is don't allow sites to send notification. Let's check this option. Once I selected this and if I scroll down, here are some more websites that are allowed to send me the notification. I can go one by one here. I could either remove them, edit them or block them. And if I go here, I could add more website. So here you could remove all of the websites that are allowed to send notification to you. And also make sure you have selected don't allow sites to send notification. Please note that restarting browser will be required to get setting applied. Now let's see the second method to block Chrome notification on your Windows devices. Navigate to Start menu and then go to Settings. In the settings, please go to System and here we want to go to Notification. Inside the notification, please scroll down and find the Google Chrome in these apps. Here you go. I got the Google Chrome here and also I got the option that Google Chrome is showing the banner on the right side of screen. I can disable this. The next option we have here is show notification in the notification center. I could also disable this. I could hide the content when notification are on the lock screen. I could disable the play sound and the lot other option we have here. If you want to disable these notifications, just go ahead and turn them off completely. And that's it. Two simple methods to stop Google Chrome notification on your laptop or desktop. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.